How do you get more when you sell your property with the Storck Team? We schedule, conduct, and pay for out of our own pocket an extensive pre-inspection process when you list your property with us. If our nearly 40 years of combined experience has taught us anything, it's that building a true partnership with our sellers and conducting these inspections help ensure there are fewer surprises that could derail a sale from falling out of contract. When a home falls out of contract during the under contract process, most of the time it is due to the inspection. Getting our sellers through to the closing in a timely manner and for the most amount of money is our commitment to every single one of our listings. Once we're under contract, we want to stay under contract. We don't want to be renegotiating the price due to needed repairs. We believe so strongly in these inspections, we pay for them, not our sellers. In an effort to properly prepare your home for sale, our licensed inspectors evaluate your home's major systems to help reduce buyers being spooked or completely turned off. We don't want to give any buyer an opportunity to take advantage of delayed maintenance by submitting a lowball offer. So here's what's included in the pre-inspection that the Storck Team pays for. The roof, the electrical system, plumbing, appliances, the furnace, NAC, the water heater, the foundation, a radon test, and a sewer scope camera inspection. Some of the real-world reasons why we conduct these specific inspections include identifying needed repairs, setting an accurate listing price, delivering a home to the buyer in move-in ready condition, and addressing standard buyers' concerns and questions. We also conduct and pay for a radon test. If you're not familiar with radon, it's an invisible odorless gas found in Colorado that poses serious health risks but is easily addressable. It can seep into homes from the ground. By conducting this test, sharing the results, and if necessary, mitigating the radon issues, the buyer sees the seller as someone who takes great pride in their property and is honorable and prepared to sell their home. This test helps the Storck Team help our sellers by protecting the buyer's health, avoiding listing and sales delays, meeting possible legal requirements, and limiting future liability. Our final inspection is a sewer scope camera inspection. While other agents often recommend that sellers have this test conducted, the other agents rarely, if ever, pay for the inspection. Not only does the Storck Team recommend it, the Storck Team pays for the inspection as well. Our professional plumber conducts the sewer scope camera inspection to check for breaks, bellies, clogs, and potential root intrusions. One or more of these problems has the significant potential to derail the sale. The sewer scope camera inspection has the ability to uncover unknown issues, prevent and minimize costly repairs, disclose problems up front, and support accurate pricing and potential sales delays. If you are considering selling your home or you are selling your home, contact us so we can share how the Storck Team properly prepares your home for sale to help ensure that there are fewer surprises during the under contract process. A smooth transaction from when we first meet to the closing table is our goal. Pre-inspections are just one of the many ways you get more from the Storck Team.